Sorry about the last one. Phone glitch. We'll keep all this good music coming at you. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you know every time we post a new video. We do bike ride videos. We do old time radio. We do it all. So if you don't want to miss anything good, I suggest getting notifications and subscribing. So now we're going to go ahead and continue this bike ride and play the good music. Whenever there is a song that's not here, it's just because we had some computer glitches. Come on, Rose.
He's so impolite. He's choking on a traffic light. I gotta make this fast rendezvous. Cause it all means no cool baby. Look at you, running out of time to do. Keep off the list.
Come on, Rose.
Get it up in your so I get home. Shocking with the way to go. I'm a mess of all the stuff. Break down and hit that run. Like a booty.
Rose, you a silly dog. Rose, hey, you ready? Play.
You're gonna find out. What's this? Look at you, running out of time to do. Keep up the list. Get it up in your so I get slow. Shocking with the way to go. I'm a mess of all the
Come on, Rose.
break down and hit that
Come on.
run. Like a booty.
Come on. Go, girl. Come on. Yeah, you're a good girl. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. Come on, let's go.
Gonna make a big mistake.
Are you a good dog?
Get it up in your so I get slow. Shocking with the way to go. I'm a mess of all the stuff. Break down and hit it right. Like a booty.
You like this song, no, Rose? Got you on the run. Let's go, girl. You're a good girl. Good girl. All right, Rose. You ready to get back in the wagon? You want to get back in the wagon? Are you ready to go? You ready to go? Okay, we'll go. Come on. You're a good dog. Come on.
Oh, fudge. Here you go. Well, that's us.